Happy New Year. We're gonna finish off this year with this room called Vulnerability Capstone. Apply the knowledge gained throughout the vulnerability module in this challenge room. I'm gonna mark this as completed and just quickly start the machine and go back to the original text. Summarize the skills I learned in this module. Completing the so this is probably a room that is a part of some sort of module, and I'm not really sure what it talks about, so I have no idea. But it says Acme Support Incorporated has recently set up a new blog, so it's a website, I'm pretty sure. The developer team has asked for security audit to be performed before they create and publish articles to the public. You should task to perform security audits on the blog looking for and abusing any vulnerabilities that you find. So let's get hacking. Alright, so the IP is shown pretty soon, so we're gonna deploy the machine and wait before blah blah blah. So we're just gonna click complete this. What is the name of application running on the machine with the version of, and so we also need to find some common weakness in enumeration, and there's numerous exploits we can use. So now the machine is up. Let's go ahead and visit it. It's a website. Welcome to Fuel CMS. Let's go ahead and say it's Fuel CMS, and the version of this beautiful site probably down below somewhere. Who knows? Is this an installation? Well, anyways, this is some installation thing with username and password. Let's just go to Fuel. Can we do that? Yeah. Admin. Now we're logged in. I change my password later. And there should be usually 1.5.0, so that's 1.5. I would guess they want me to type. No, really. Oh, you are on version. Available, of course. Should read this more carefully when I enumerate information. So we're gonna look for common weakness enumerations. You know, since I already read this task about, I'm not really sure I need to do any port scans or anything. We can just go straight ahead and enumerate the application. This is another way of doing pen test. You know what you're gonna pen test, you know what you can do, so no real immediate reason to go ahead and start go bust and everything, because we have access already. So it says, what is the number of the CVE that allows an attacker to remotely execute code? So it's RCE, remote code execution, on that application. So we're gonna need to go ahead and visit the exploit DB, and we're gonna write Fuel CMS. Remember, this is version 1.4. We have a few of them. We have 1.4.1 remote code execution on Linux. We have another remote code execution here, number 2. It's a newer one. It's from 1.4.1 again, and we have a slightly newer exploit here. Let's go ahead and just click the newest one, because why not? Let's see. That is the weakness number. CVE, I guess. Let's take it. That is correct. So we have the exploit here needed. So use the resource skill line through the modules, find random exploit and vulnerability. So let's just say this is, and the hint is probably Metasploit. Let's go ahead and see. And the hint for this one is an exploit requires to set up a netcode reverse listener to gain. Yeah. Let's go ahead and look at this exploit. What is this all about? Looks like it's some Python 3 script. We can execute code remotely. Let's go ahead and do something a bit different. Let's go ahead and load up MSF console. which is Metasploit. Metasploit is an exploitation framework which got a lot of exploits in under its hood. Let's go ahead and find fuel CMS. Search, sorry. Fuel CMS. No results. What about just fuel? This way? No. Am I just looking for the wrong commands? So meta exploit, look for exploit. You know, what is the command? I just totally forgot it. It is what happens when you do a lot of things. So basically just gonna go to Google and say, what is it? Yeah, don't jump up and down. Search. It is search. Oh, I see. Search fuel. Search. Is it working at all? Okay, it is working. So so I guess this can't be done with can we do like something called upgrade or update in it? I kind of forget. So MSF, we're not gonna give up MSF updated this. Okay, so apt, so sudo apt get update, and then apt install metasploit. We'll just try this for now. Probably gonna take a while. Who knows? I hope not. So while this is running, let's just go ahead and have a look at this. It looks like we can execute a command. Yeah, command right here in the middle of whatever blah 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 blah. So basically what we probably could do, I guess we could we also have a command called search blood fuel. So we have a remote code execution. We do have the exploit here, which is going to be, let's see, we picked which one? Number 3. I guess this will be the one, so let's just see. Locate 47138.py. Sometimes, you know, these frameworks are not that good because I missed the path. So search, let's just say Linux Kali, search blood path. Where is it? That's the thing. Nope, not that image. Just a path. It doesn't say where it is exactly. This is why I usually do not like these. I'm just trying things. I could just, you know, use the script from the exploit DB. You know, that's not a problem. It's just. Let's just see. Where was it again? Yeah. Users, yeah. Could it be like something like that? So let's go ahead and do user, yeah. exploit db. Just do search exploit again, and then do php. Here we have it. Web apps 49 487.py. Can we nano into that? 494. Yep. Oh, it's empty. Oh, it's not this. I just. This is kind of the only struggle I do have. It's empty. Linux. There we go. So this looks like it's exactly the same exploit as we found on the web page here. You know, this looks a bit longer, I guess. So what we could do, the URL, what is required to do this? So it says something like, is it the same exploit we have? 1673, yes it is. So we can see the CV here and the CV here is the same. So it's the same exploit. This is, I guess this is just a shorter version of it. So we're gonna start it, raw input command, so we can execute the command. So what command we're gonna execute is we're gonna make the web page call us back. So we're gonna set up a reverse, a listener, and we're gonna connect to that, getting a shell. So I assume the URL is incorrect in this particular version. I need to, HTTP, I need to go ahead and edit it to, it doesn't run any ports, so 10, 10, 66, 133, gonna save that, yes, oh, not on them. Save modifier, no. I need to do it on sudo. Yeah, then we're gonna go ahead and edit this to 10, 10, 66, 133, save, exit, and we're gonna go ahead and say Python 3 here. I guess that's gonna be it. It's a Python 2 script. Yeah, it looks like raw input. It looks like yeah, I guess that is, you know, Python. That's the command. So we're gonna set up reverse listener now. So let's go ahead and do that. Netcat, bnp, netcat on whatever port. Now that is listening, then we're gonna go ahead and need to connect back home. So what you could do is go ahead and say this script here, for example. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that, and we're gonna say it's port 5555, and if I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna go ahead and say 1011 to 1. That's gonna be our command. I am fairly sure this is gonna work. So let's go ahead and say this and that, and boom, we are on it. No. Connection refused. Oh, did I open it anyway? Yes. let's see, HTTP 10 663. Gonna put that URL in there, 10.10.66.133-fuel proxy. Nope, no proxy. Is this gonna work? Using these exploits sometimes can be really weird. I guess we could also just, you know, we could probably just do this, you know, why not? Just try, I guess. And then in the command we're gonna put this here. Just basically put that in. An uncalled exception. I guess we didn't get any. Nope. Didn't get any. Let's see, bash I 10.11.555. Oh, didn't work. Let's go ahead and no, clear this. I want to run this again. Who am I? It doesn't work. So we have some issues here. What is the issue? It fails to establish a connection. Yeah. So let's go ahead and just look at the code here one more time. Quote. Is this actually PHP 3 or something? It is. So what I'm gonna do now is just take this exploit instead, because it seems this is newer, and you know how it is about old and new exploits. So let's go ahead and clear this. Let's go ahead and touch exploit.py, sudo touch exploit.py, and then let's go ahead and nano inside of exploit, paste all this in, go to the top and say enter the valid URL. So this is a lot longer, and it seemed like it's probably better. Oh, not again. I keep forgetting this. Nope. Sudo. So let's go ahead and Python 3 the exploit scripts. So the usage is the -u, and the URL is http colon 10.10.66.131. Wasn't it that correct? Where was it again? Yeah, 133. Enter command ID. So who am I? Alright, I'm system. So now let's go ahead and go back to the listener. You know, sometimes the newer script is better. Let's take this command I have here. I think that would probably work. No, it didn't. Let's see, what did I do wrong? Let's go to pentest monitor one more time and bash virtual netcat. Oh, sorry, it's yeah, let's just try that one, you know, and just do, let's just do the right thing. 10.11.021.5555. Let's get it up here and so we can see if we get it or not. No. What am I doing wrong? Am I just... Let's try this one. Maybe I should pay a bit more attention to what I'm doing. 5555. Let's go ahead and try that script instead and see if it works better. Paste it in. What? Definitely wasn't what I copied. Copy, insert. Let's go ahead and just quickly verify what's up with my reverse shell. I found it. So that is the same command I'm using. Yeah, it's the same command everywhere. 10. So why is this not working? Oh. There we go. I know my copy paste was horrible. So let's go ahead and see. I am data. I need to upgrade the shell. Where did I save that? Where did I save? Anyways, let's just see ls cat robots .text. Okay. Cat readme md. Okay. Did I have an upgrade? And do this. And what about home? CD Ubuntu. Okay. Oh, we don't need to get root. That is quite uncommon. TryHackMe. Alright, so we did the room in 20 minutes time without doing much. I could have just used the exploit raw from the exploit.db as we had here. You know, using the raw exploits from exploit.db is a really great thing to learn. You know, it just takes a few moments to understand them. You know, while recording this video, I figured I'm gonna try to use some of the other tools we had in our arsenal, and let me just showcase what I meant again. So we have the command searchploit, which is a really good command for just looking for different exploits. And the searchploit exploit is I think it's being reversed, and you download stuff from exploit.db, and yeah, it is a directly command directly hooked to it, right? And it's a really good thing to learn how to use whenever you want to find exploits on your own box. And basically we got an old one, a PHP2. I guess we could run a searchploit update. That wouldn't probably hurt, and then get all the new stuff. That would probably be a good idea. And also, I think, didn't we run an update command on one of the other windows? I guess that's done already. Let's just exit the box here. And sometimes whenever you update MSF console, it's gonna bug out, and then you're gonna start doing things. So let's search fuel now. We still have nothing. You see, the MSF console is booted by the MeatSpot console, and it gives you the amount of 2,162 exploits, almost 600 payloads, some different evasion techniques and encoders and stuff like that for your arsenal when we're gonna pen test something. So I hope you like this video. It's gonna be the last one this year, and Happy New Year. You can probably hear in the background that, you know, fireworks is firing off and it's getting noisy outside. And until next time, until next year, I will see you again. Bye.